Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you this cool new item. It's an Ezo. It is a new beverage system. It makes drinking things a whole lot easier. The difference between this and like a Keurig is you can change your water dial of how strong you want your drink. So if you're like a weak coffee drinker, you can turn it way down. If you're like, let's drink espresso strong, you can turn it way up. You can also do hot and cold, or hot and cold. And if you do the hot, it takes about 8 minutes to get your drink hot. And also the system locks so that you can't burn yourself and that sort of thing. You can also drink just plain cold water. You can use it as a water cooler if you have water delivery and that kind of thing, so it'll save some space. But here is your beverage stuff. At first I wasn't for sure how to use it, like if you had to use all of one package at one time or if you could take it in and out. But it's sealed at the top, as you can see, and the water actually comes through this part down here, and that's what makes your drink. When you set it up, you just put it in there and you're done. It's that easy, and shut it. To get your drink is all you do is push that button, hold it down. You want a little bit, you want a lot, you're good to go. It's pretty fabulous. It has, I think I saw roughly 27 different types of drinks, whether it's hot or cold. V8's got something in it. There's all kinds of different coffees, fruit drinks, power drinks, you name it, they've got it. But it's super easy to clean up. You're done drinking that, you pull it out, and you're done with it. I hope you enjoyed this. They run about $200, roughly $199.99. I saw it at Walmart. It's still perfect time to pick it up for Christmas. Enjoy!